Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Changing the country on your iPhone can be necessary for accessing apps, content and services specific to a different region. Follow this detailed guide to update your country setting on your iPhone. Let's get started. The first step is to open settings. Locate and open the setting app on your iPhone. Next, navigate to General. Then you locate Language and Region. Here you will see a list of options. Tap on Region. Scroll through the list and select the country you want to switch to. You should read and agree to the terms and conditions by tapping Agree. And that's it, guys. Updating your country setting on your iPhone is essential for accessing localized content and services. By following these steps, you can successfully change the country associated with your Apple ID and enjoy apps and content specific to your new region. Enjoy your iPhone with a new range of localized features. Thank you so much for watching. If you found it helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you in our next video. Bye bye.